Now, therefore, in every game theory problem, first of all, what you have to do is you have to first try to solve the problem with the help of pure strategies. That is, you have to find a saddle point. If you are able to find the saddle point, that is your solution. But if you are unable to find the solution with the help of pure strategy, you can move ahead with the mixed strategies. And there are various methods in mixed strategies like odds method, dominance method, subgame method, graphic method, algebraic method, equal gains method, iterative method, simplex method. All these methods we will learn with the help of various videos. And in the series, the first method is the odds method. Now, to apply the odds method, there is a precondition that the problem should be of 2 by 2 size. It means 2 rows and 2 columns. It means player A as well as player B should have 2 strategies only. Not more than 2, not less than 2. Only then we can apply odds method. And we make use of certain steps to solve such problems, and then we find out the solution, the value of the game, and the strategies adopted by both the players. So now let us just see one practical question where we will learn how to apply odds method in game theory. Now the precondition to apply odds method is the problem should be 2 by 2. The matrix should be 2 by 2. It means both the players should have 2 strategies. Maximizing player and minimizing player, both the players should have only and only 2 strategies. A will be having A1, A2, B will be having B1, B2. Not more, not less. And second condition is the game should not have any saddle point. It means that is not a zero sum game. If the game has a saddle point, then the odds method will not be applicable. You can solve the problem with the help of row minima, column maxima. So where row minima and column maxima has not given you any solution and the game is of 2 by 2 size, you can apply the odds method. Now see, if I take this example, y has 2 strategies, y1 and y2, x had 2 strategies, x1 and x2, and for example here the values are a1, a2, b1, b2, and I have to apply the odds method over here. First of all, I will find out the odds. How we calculate the odds? The difference between b1 and b2 will be written here. b1 minus b2, and the difference between a1 and a2 will be written here. And this is modulus. It means you have to ignore the negative signs. And the same we will do below as well. The difference between these two, that is A2 minus B2 will come here, and difference between A1 minus B1 will come here. And the total of this will be done. It should be same from both the sides. And then the strategies will be decided, the value of game. How we calculate the value of game? This element into this element plus this outside element into this out element. And that will be divided by the total. Let us see the practical question because that will clarify the thing more. Let us put the actual values over here. Now see, for example, this is the question given to you. So first of all, we will see whether the pure strategies applies here or not. That is row minima and column maximum are going to be same or not. So row wise minimum, this is the minimum. Row wise minimum, this is the minimum. Column wise maximum, this is the maximum. Column wise maximum, this is the maximum. So there is no point where circle and square are coming together. It means you will be writing row minima is not equal to column maxima. So when row minima is not equal to column maxima, what we have to do is now we have to proceed with the mixed strategies. So you will be writing, we will further apply the mixed strategies. As the game is of 2 by 2 size and the game does not have a saddle point, we can apply the odds method. Then you will be writing the question again. Our 4 values are 5, 1, 3 and 4. Now we will proceed with the odds method. So you will write here odds. How we calculate the odds? You have to take the difference of this line, second line first. 3 minus 4 minus 1, but we will ignore the minus signs over here. You have to write it like this, 1. 3 minus 4, it is 1. So it means its difference is coming in the first place. And then 5 minus 1, its difference will be coming in the second place. So just take the second row first, 3 minus 4, 1, ignore the negative signs, 5 minus 1, 4, it will come here. Same we will do here, odds. Second difference will be coming at the first place, 1 minus 4, 3, 5 minus 3, 2. Its difference is coming here, its difference is going here. And you will then total it out, 3 plus 2, 5. It should be same from both the sides. So this is how you have to calculate odds. Now once you calculate the odds, we have to calculate now value of game. How you write it? This first element into odds value. It means you will write 5 into 1. First value multiplied by odds value. Put a plus sign in between. Then second value into odds value. It means 3 into 4. Just remember you have to take it column wise. First value into odds plus second value into odds. You have to ignore this. Only first strategies we are taking. 5 into 1 plus 3 into 4 divided by. Now total of these odds 1 plus 4, that is 5. But you have to write like this only. Now we will calculate the value. 5 plus 12, it comes out to be 17 divided by 5. This is the value of game. I again repeat, first into odds plus second into odds divided by total. This is how you will be writing. Now we have to see what are the strategies. That is, what is the probability that A will be selecting the first strategy and the second. Now you will write probability that A will select strategy number 1. A will select A1 strategy. The probability is 1 out of 5. So this is the first probability that A will be selecting first strategy. Probability that A will select strategy number 2. A will select strategy number 2 probability is 4 by 5. So these are the A's probability. Same we will do with B. Probability that B will select strategy number 1. B will select strategy number 1 is 3 out of 5. And probability that B will select strategy number 2 is 2 out of 5. So this is a complete answer. You will be writing the value of game also and probabilities also. Another thing I would like to tell you is how we have calculated this value of game, this into this plus this into this. We can calculate the same value column wise as well. Just see how we can show it. We can calculate value of game like column wise. 5 into 3, first with the odds, plus 1 into 2. Here we will be dividing by this 3 plus 2. That is 5 only. So either you can go row wise as we have done 5 into 1 plus 3 into 4 divided by 1 plus 4. That I am going to do now column wise. 5 into 3 plus 1 into 2. Same divided by 3 plus 2. Now when you will see, add it up, it will be same answer. So 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5. So you can see value of game is coming same from both the sides. Because this is an odds method, this is a balanced method, you can calculate it row wise or column wise. It is going to give you the same answer, and these probabilities will not change because we have already done A's probability 1 upon 5, second strategy 4 upon 5, B's first strategy 3 upon 5, second strategy 2 upon 5. So this is how the odds method is applied whenever the game does not have a saddle point and the game is a 2 by 2 game.